Are you still wondering if Temu is legit? Temu has been promising free items for new app users for a couple of months now. But how free are these items? You may have seen numerous videos from creators with different opinions on Temu. Ultimately, these videos might leave you feeling even more confused about whether to trust Temu or not. In this video, I will tell you about my experience with Temu. What I will share with you in this video will help you see Temu just the way it is. First of all, I have received some items from Temu and you can see them right here on my table. In a moment, I will tell you about the quality of these items, whether they are worth buying or not. From these items, you can see an MP3 player, a VRO glass, an RGB light, and a backdrop kit, just to name a few. Now, after receiving these items, I can confirm that Temu is legit. But what about the free items they promised? Are they really free? Have you seen anyone that have received these items before? For example, earlier in this video, you said that Temu is offering new app users a free 200,000 naira coupon code and a 90% off discount. The condition you said is that we have to copy the code that is now displayed in the screen of this video and paste it inside the Temu app search bar, or use the link that you have placed inside the description of this video. The thing is that after following all these procedures, can we really get these free items, or at least the 90% off discount items that they promised? Regarding Temu, this is one of the most controversial questions. I received a comment on one of my TikTok videos on Temu that really made me laugh. The video is about how to get free items on Temu. Someone commented, "Even this elderly man is lying about the Temu app." I felt like, how did I get so old without realizing that I'm old? Guy, you are old. That's it. Leave my studio. The answer is simple. The items are actually free, and you also get the 90% discount when you use the code that Temu provides. There are lots of people that have gotten free items already, and you can find their own reviews online. Temu did not pay most of them to make those reviews. There are some persons that believe that these items from Temu are not actually free. I made a video on Temu on TikTok, and a lot of persons in the comments kept insisting that these items are not actually free. But here is something I want you to know. In every Temu promotional video you see out there, they make sure to add the word "terms and conditions apply." These conditions are not difficult or hidden. It is right there on the app. Provided that you can meet up with these conditions, you will get your free items. It even gets better because delivery is quick and free. I didn't pay any delivery fee even when I went to collect my items from the local pickup station. So if you qualify as a new app user, read the terms and conditions and you are good to go. You will get your free items. One of the reasons why I like the Temu platform is its tracking system. From what I experienced, when you place an order, you get a tracking number just like every other e-commerce platforms. But because Temu uses the speed up delivery service, you get very detailed tracking information for your parcel. I have ordered a lot of items from different platforms, and I can assure you that tracking a Temu item with SpeedAF is way more convenient. When my items arrived the local pickup station, I already saw it on the tracking website. So at the time they called me to come pick it up, I was already expecting it. But are products from Temu good? You said that you have received some items. What is the quality of these items? First of all, I thought I chased you out. How did you get back in? Anyways, the ones I ordered are worth it because they serve the purpose for which I ordered them. Take for example, this studio fill light. Even when there is no NEPA light, all I have to do is power it with a power bank and I can take product pictures and videos with it. The picture quality will be so nice and bright because the light is doing its job. Also, the two RGB lights I ordered, one for video background and the other for the back of a TV. Sincerely, I don't have any reason to complain about the quality. This photographic backdrop is yet another helpful item I ordered on Temu. It provides a very fine background for a product that I am reviewing. Imagine me that have a limited space in my studio. With this item here, I can change several backgrounds, change light intensity, and it will feel like I'm taking the picture in different locations. So the quality is very good. I ordered a lot of items, but let me take this rotary product display stand as my last example. I have not had a single issue with it even when I place a relatively heavy product on it. The links to some of the products I ordered on Temu with a 90% discount is in the description of this video, just in case you want to check them out. When it comes to the issue of product quality, I can't find a reason why Temu, a new international e-commerce platform that is trying to make name for itself, will be dishing out bad products to its customers. Temu have literally spent a lot of money trying to reach millions of potential customers worldwide. just to gain their trust. They won't be able to gain the trust of their customers if they are dishing out bad products. So Temu products are good. I have seen a lot of people that claim that they ordered an item on Temu and a different item was sent to them. They will then make a video and post it online complaining about the product that was sent to them. The truth is, they actually got what they ordered. They will not tell you how much they bought the item, and they will not show you the title and description of the item that they ordered on Temu. Most times, they fail to read the title that carries the full description of the item before they order. If you read the title and description of a product carefully before you order, it is what you ordered that will be sent to you. There are lots of reviews online by people that have successfully ordered an item from Temu and they got what they ordered. Go check them out yourself. Finally, how do you order an item on Temu? Most people are not used to the process, and some are even scared of losing their money in the process of ordering an item. So in a very easy step, let me show you how you can order an item on Temu with your mobile phone. The first thing you should do is to go to the description below this video and click the first link that appears there. After you click on the link, it will take you to Play Store or Apple Store to download the Temu app, depending on your mobile phone's operating system. But if you already have the Temu app on your phone, clicking this link will open the app and take you to the 90% off discount page. Now, if you open the Temu app by yourself without clicking the link, then you will have to copy the code that is not displayed on the screen and paste it into the search bar. Then it will take you to the same 90% off discount page. Supposing you are not using the Temu app because you prefer using a computer or mobile phone browser, then click on the second link in the description and it will open the 90% off discount page in the browser. This is the 90% off discount page. You will see a 20,000 naira discount coupon in 10 places, adding up to be 200,000 naira. Claim all of them so that you can use them later. You will also notice that all the items on this page have a 90% discount. Browse through these items and choose what you like. I will pick this tab, which was originally around 64,000 naira, but with the 90% discount, I will now only pay about 6,500 naira. After selecting these items, it will then enter my cart, which is right here. You can exit the 90% discount page and select other regular items on Temu and buy these items for a regular price. For example, this portable air compressor and a few other items. After making your pick, all your items will be in the cart. Again, this red circle at the bottom with this pointer is where your cart is. You can click on it to review all the items that you have selected. Now go to your profile, which is the middle tab at the bottom, and select addresses to set up your shipping address. Click on Enter New Address, this one at the bottom right here, and fill all the information in the next page correctly. The address you enter is where they will send your items, so make sure you enter your correct address. In this shipping address page, the first field here is your country. It is already set by default, so you don't have to do anything. Add your first name in the second field, let's say John, and your last name, which is also your surname, in the third field, let's say Doe. Know that it is your own name you will add here. The name I use here just for example. The next field is your phone number. It is very important that you enter it correctly. After you enter your phone number, just check again to ensure that it is correct. If your item arrives your local pickup center, they will call this number for you to come pick it up. The next field is for your home address. I will add, for example, 5 Johnson Street here. In the next test field for state, I will add Lagos, and in the field for city, I will add Surulere. The last field is for postal code. To get your postal code, open your web browser and search for what is my postal code. In my case, it is 569101. I will type or paste the postal code in this field here. Now click on this toggle button here to set this as your default shipping address and click on the save button at the bottom. At this point, you will have to go back to the cart section where you will find all the items you had previously selected. Click on checkout. The next page is the payment page. You have several options here, including using your ATM card to make payment for the other regular items that you selected. But click on OPay because it is the most convenient way here. After you click on OPay, enter your OPay login details to confirm the payment, and when it is successful, you are done. For now, the majority of items in the Temu app are cheap because they are running promotions. Plus, you also get the 90% off discount for new app users. So if I were you, I will hurry up and make my orders using the code that is not displayed on the screen and the link in the description of this video before the prices go up. If you have any question in mind, ask in the comments and I will respond to you.